Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I will show you one very useful applications for your Android smartphones by which you can check who are using your Wi-Fi connections and you can control them using that applications. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So let me connect my Android phone with my Wi-Fi internet connections. So it's connected, as you can see here. So now what you need to do is you need to go to the Play Store. In the Play Store, you need to search for one application's name as who use my Wi-Fi. So now you can see here who use my Wi-Fi network scanner. Just tap on it. So you install it. It is totally free, of course, so install it. So after installing, you click open. So on opening, you can see here it's charging right now. Wait for a few seconds. As you can see, a blue color loading. So you can see here devices which are connected with my Wi-Fi connections. The first one you can see is my router, from which I'm connecting my internet with my Android smartphone. So you can see its IP address too, but right now I'm not showing, I'm hiding this. And on the left top you can see there 3 lines. So you can see here many options where you can check the network information. You can control the router password too, router admin. You can do ping, port scan, wake on LAN, and lots of options. So in my opinion, you should definitely try these applications if you wanna check who are using your Wi-Fi network connections. So this is really very useful in day-to-day life uses if you're having a Wi-Fi internet connections in your home or in your office, and if you're the owner of that Wi-Fi router, then definitely you should have those applications in your smartphones to take control on who are using your Wi-Fi connections. So in my opinion, it is very useful tool. So install it and try it out by yourself. And if you want to know anything regarding these applications, leave your comments below in the video description. I will try my best to help and guide you using these applications. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.